Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. I'm going to give a market update on gold, silver, a couple companies, and even emerging markets. I just want to show a big chart pattern here. So we'll jump right in. This isn't going to be super long. I just want to touch base on everything. So gold had a big, large down day today. We're still in this channel. It popped back into the channel. The only thing that's got some saving grace here is we do have a little bit of a tail, a wick on the bottom. I wish it was a lot larger wick with the body up on top of this rail. So are we going to continue downward in this channel? Possibly. I was hoping that we could stay above the channel with a small little down day or something and then continue higher tomorrow. So we're going to have to look and we're going to have to watch to see what this does tomorrow, if it's going to break back above the rail, or if it's going to come back inside the channel and stay in the channel for a while longer. So we'll have to look at that. Here's silver. Silver's sitting right close to the top of the rail. So this is going to be really tough. It's tough to see where it's at. We do have a little wick on the bottom, which means that throughout the day we do have some momentum coming back higher. But you know, we broke up to the upside. We're back testing the top of this rail. Hopefully we can move higher. I'm hoping for a move higher. Hope obviously doesn't push it forward. So we have to see what happens tomorrow. This is platinum. Pulled back, and we're still above the top of this guy. We have a wick on the bottom. So hopefully platinum can go higher later this week, Thursday or Friday. We've got SILJ, Silver Junior ETF. Broke its downtrend. It came back tested the top. We do have a little wick on the bottom. We do have two smaller down days than this big day before it. Hopefully it can move higher. We'll see. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Crude oil. Typically what happens is you get these small down days and then it pushes higher. You got the small down days again. Hopefully this pushes higher. This could potentially move quite large if it breaks out of this little congestion period here. But we'll see what happens. Here's Discovery Metals. Broke the downtrend. This, I thought it was going to move away here. Came back. We got a wick on the bottom, which is good, which means it came back throughout the day, and hopefully we go higher. We'll see what happens tomorrow, and we can stay above this channel. I don't want to go back below it and then grind it out for a little while. And here's emerging markets. This is a very large chart pattern back to the mid-2000s. And we're coming up in the top channel here. This is one to watch. If it breaks this top channel, this thing could run and move quite a bit. The thing I like about emerging markets is their demographics. Typically, the larger the population base on the bottom, typically that means that economy is going to grow. They're going to continue to use more things throughout that economy. They're going to have to make more things. They're going to have to grow for that population. So emerging markets, someone brought it up in the comments section. I said, yeah, I'll look into it. I'll put it in here. You'll probably see this chart every once in a while in other market updates. But this could be one to look into, especially if it breaks this pattern. I would think this thing goes quite a bit higher. So hopefully you like this update. I just wanted to touch on gold and silver because it had a large down. They both had large down days today. One is silver still sitting on the top rail. We need it to go higher. Hopefully gold can break back out of its channel valuation. So that's what I'm seeing. Thanks for listening. And this is Finding Value.